Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a Minoxidil set. It comes with two boxes of them. Looks like each one says it's a 4-month supply. So that is it. Each one bottle has 80 milliliters in it. And inside we have the bottles of the Minoxidil topical solution. It says 90 days for each one of these, it looks like. It says it's Minoxidil 5% and biotin 0.5%. And it says active ingredients are butylene, glycol, and whatever other stuff. Okay, so the way this one works is, it says directions are on the back of this. I think it just says put 1 milliliter by pressing and dotting onto the scalp. So if you've got 80 on here, you figure out about 1 milliliter is 1/80th of this. But it's got a little dauber. See, push the little button and then the liquid comes out and you just daub it around your scalp. And then hopefully hair will start growing back. So if you need Minoxidil solution, this one looks like a great one. And it comes with a big supply. So we are all set on this one here. Really cool. And it came with both boxes. This was a big set. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.